these stuff from Ikea only for the kids. It's our first time Ikea in Bahrain. So first we have 2 pillows. Here, it's blue and pink for our room. Okay. Next we have this cup. So we have blue and also pink, yellow, white, green, and red. Here, the same as the bowls and plates. But because our plate in this house is very heavy. And then here we got a stuffed toy. It's for sale. So the backpack, you can open it and close it. And here you can put it there in her eyes if she wants or not. And it's colored black. And after, we have cake for cooking. You can remove it, all of it. Then next we have a carpet. It's a pink one. This way. Pink one. A heart shape. Then next we have cooking stuff.
Baking set.
Stuff actually. A baking set. So we have this, a tray, and then molding.
Cookie cutters.
Cookie cutters, and then
Cake pans.
Yeah.
You can remove it.
Yeah, you can. And then also a rolling pin for a cake. And that's all from Ikea. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Where's your sister?
She's over there.
I think she's looking for the tea set.
Oh, the tea set. Okay. Bye-bye. Mwah.
I can't find a tea set. Sorry.
We're going to show you in the next episode if we find them. Bye. Bye-bye.
God was so beautiful, right? And then